Are you tired of projects spiraling out of control and budgets vanishing faster than free pizza at a tech conference? Then stick around, because in the next minute and a half, we're cracking the code to project cost management and keeping your projects financially healthy. Project cost management is the process of planning, estimating, budgeting, and controlling project costs. First, let's talk about budgeting, which involves creating a detailed estimate of all project costs, from labor and materials to equipment and overhead. Think of it like creating a roadmap for your project's finances. Next up is cost control. This is where you monitor the project's spending, compare it against the budget, and take corrective actions when needed. Cost control helps prevent overspending and keeps your project on track. And finally, there's earned value management, or EVM. EVM is a powerful technique that combines project scope, schedule, and cost to measure project performance. It helps you determine if your project is ahead of schedule and under budget, behind schedule and over budget, or right on track. By mastering these principles of budgeting, cost control, and earned value management, you'll be well on your way to keeping projects within budget, on time, and ultimately a success.